turn it and shoot a rocket.
We have neutralized objective Bravo.
Unlock
I'm out
it.
of rockets!
Block it. Oh, I can't lock it for some reason. Okay, I'm shooting. They're hit. I'm repairing. Nice. I got 2 more rockets. I like this setup. You can break their players easy.
Yeah.
Gunship
Yo,
rolling in.
take out their gunship.
I tried, it wouldn't let me get high enough.
Oh, is it that high? I'm locking
Yeah.
it right now. Oh, too high. Little bird above us. I'm locking. I'm trying to do at least.
I have eyes on an enemy boat. West of your location.
Later.
See ya! Ow.
Electronic
This boat's
systems
done.
just got breached. I spotted an enemy boat. A hostile boat's been spotted to your west.
Where the hell are they behind us?
I'm a lock on.
I hate those flares.
Oh yeah, hell yeah, get 'em. Oh, they're done, dude. They're done already. There's my rocket. Hit.
I spotted an enemy
Oh,
helicopter.
Yeah.
I can confirm objective Echo is neutralized. Hey, my vehicle is damaged. I need a mechanic.
Oh man, they're so pissed. There's a boat right here.
Oh, there's a guy on the roof.
Alright, let's get ready for the other helis coming back.
They're on the rockets.
Can you still lock onto them?
I'll try
Resupply
it.
just got dropped in. We have taken objective Charlie.
They're flying
Behind us.
right.
We're in between 2 little birds.
Spotted a hostile bird just east of your location.
He's out. Focus on the other little bird. Don't let go.
Shit! Shit!
Make some moves. Get under him so he can't lock us. Grab the players. Oh no. Repair tool down. Later.
Ah! The boat got us. God. Dude, that was beastly. I'll be engineer. This way you can fly.
It's cool. I like the rockets.
Okay.
Whoever gets it gets it.
Oh, RCB. I'm
coming.
taking it.
I'm waiting for
That's
the
my
little bird.
shit,
I'm
dude.
gonna back you up. Luke, are you in here?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to Alpha.
I'm coming, but I'm gonna play really passive. I don't
Oh,
got
we got a
the
bird
pace.
down here.
Locking his ass right
Objective
now.
Delta has been neutralized.
Rockets out.
He's out.
They broke players.
Got some on the docks too.
Flight just got dropped. We control objective Bravo.
They just took this boat.
We just lost objective Echo.
Fuck, man.
Oh god.
Oh, that boat's ripping
Repair
me
tool.
out.
Where can I repair at? What? I'm not repairing, I'm bailing.
Objective Delta.
You down?
Yeah.
Repairing
Why
my
would I?
boat.
I wonder why I didn't let you repair. Ron, do you want me to be support?
Yeah.
Alright, you want me engine? I'll be engineer. Can fuck, I'm so scared.
Enemy boat spotted.
Oh, I had to reload.
Objective Alpha. Heads up,
Got him.
Surprise just got
This
dropped
guy in the boat. There's a guy
One
in
more.
the boat.
I'm straightening him out.
I headshotted him. Ooh. Oh, there's a heli right in front of us.
I've spotted a hostile helo east of your position.
Blocking him.
Me too.
Oh, there's two.
Nice.
Yeah. I said, well, whoa, shit. That was right fucking above us.
This boat.
Objective Echo has been neutralized.
Oh, I headshot him with my pistol.
Wait, with your
Oh, I
pistol?
killed that fucking heli.
Oh,
Yeah,
look at the
control
sniper up
objective
top.
out.
There's two guys.
Lost objective
Bring the guys
Bravo.
close.
Throw a grenade at
I'm
him.
just gonna circle it.
I kill one.
There's one more up there. I just lost one.
He may have
There he
run
is, there he
down
is.
the stairs. Cool.
We have objective Bravo now.
Oh, hey, there's
I
charge.
spotted a hostile
Oh, hell
helicopter
yeah,
due
okay,
south of your
hell yeah.
position.
Alright, I'm turning for him. Oh, they bailed. One did at least. They'll bail.
Hit him. Yay.
This guy on the
Heli
mounted
front.
rocket.
Here. Drive over top, I'll bail out.
Oh, we got a guy running up there already.
Objective Alpha has
Hell
been
yeah,
compromised.
Jet. Goodbye, Jet.
I'm turning for this guy. No, I don't see him.
The jet just hit the radio tower and blew up.
I'm not in the radio tower. There's one of our other teammates is. Oh, right ahead of us. Run. Or
Check
yeah,
your
right
map,
there.
boys. Supplies being dropped in.
Gotcha.
Yeah, finally.
Heli behind us. We're gonna take it.
Spot him.
Yeah, I got him.
Alright, we're gonna get hit.
Damn,
Keep
I
us
started
up.
repairing.
Oh shoot. Yeah.
I was just repairing. I got whacked.
If you want to scoop me, I can repair you.
I'm taking him. Dread, if you can spawn on me.
Oh shit, dude! I took this little bird. I'm coming down.
Oh, I'm down.
Fuck, dude. My bad.
No, it's fine. I'll repair you. We had a good
I
little
spotted
run
an
there.
enemy boat.
Got 11 kills.
Chopper, enemy chopper. I spotted an enemy chopper. Attention, listen up. I have eyes on an enemy machine gunner. North of
Oh,
your
they burst
location.
the ACM jammer.
I got eyes on an enemy chopper. Enemy chopper spotted. I got eyes on an enemy chopper. Objective Bravo has
See
been
ya.
lost. I say again, Objective Bravo has been lost.
Oh my god, this is so fun in the group. It's
I
so
know.
easy.
I got eyes on an enemy soldier.
just bail out and get that helicopter?
Could one of us or did one of us? Oh my god, look at A.
Should.
Yep. Oh, he kamikaze us, dude. That's gay.
I think that was an accident, actually.
We're losing system tracking and comms.
He was probably just shooting at us.
I'm on you. I'm on the
When you're...
I'm on the right side.
Gunning or?
I'm on the right side, gunner.
I'm on the right side, rolling.
Both on the right. Yeah.
Up, locked onto him. Oh, I got him.
Oh, sorry.
Whoa,
Oh,
what is
shit.
that?
Objective
the pole.
Delta has been lost. I say again, objective Delta.
Repair.
I was
Oh!
gonna say. I'm so sorry.
It's a AC-130 fucked this up.
I didn't think I could hit that pole.
I got eyes on an enemy
Oh god,
chopper.
a little bit spooled.
Looks like we can drive objective Delta. We've taken objective Delta.
Oh god, I just deployed the sniper out. No.
I spotted an enemy boat.
If the pizza when you're supposed to french fry, you're gonna have a bad time. Run, we're going out in the Venom, dude.
Alright.
Oh, run's ready up.
I'm not.
Supplies on the ground. Check your map. I spotted an enemy helicopter. We just lost
That
objective
AC-130
Charlie.
plate, no drugs.
Oh, there's a shit ton at sea, dude.
Who's flying a little bird? Whatever.
Alright, well this fucking guy.
Enemy soldier spotted.
Ooh, laser guided shit.
We've taken objective Alpha.
What the hell? Really?
We've lost
What?
objective
This guy
Delta.
didn't dip with a little bird.
Well, this whole crew
Oh.
landed a Venom at sea.
There are two people looking at... I don't know the name of the bases. Two people are pushing A.
Check
Yeah.
your area.
I'm gonna spawn there.
User joined your channel.
What's up, Mossy?
What, bro?
Spotted an enemy jet.
Wanna play Daisy?
No, spotted. Spotted an enemy.
Wow, my game crashed.
Your game crashed?